vlogging in this video. Oh, we're moving again. We're in a ferry wheel right now, and today I'm gonna vlog. I mean, I already vlogged some clips. We're in Wildwood. It's a place near the beach, and it's so nice here. So I just like vlog, so you can see what I did. It was a really nice day. This is the view. It's so pretty. Let me tell y'all what happened. We got this room, it was so cold inside, and then we moved the curtain and there was a hole in the wall. Like, it was not even a hole, it was like the whole wall construction wasn't done, and they just gave us this room that was not even ready. So then we changed the room, and we thought it was fine, but then they didn't have any blankets, and the overall look of the room looked like it was not like ready to host someone. It was just like not ready to host someone. I don't know how to say it, but like it didn't have blankets and it was cold. So we went to the receptionist again and asked for another room, and finally we had a decent room to stay in. And all of this happened at like 2 a.m. so it was really late. Playing mini golf. She got last place, I got second, and her dad got first. Alright, ready? 3, 2, right?
can't. I know, but we can't go that fast.
Ooh. Have you ever been in one of those? Oh my god.
I don't know what it is. In the sand. What if I throw it?
Say something.
Something.
Oh my god, we're going there.
All right, welcome to Zombie Crusher. Please make sure your seatbelt stays fastened at all times. As I always like to sit there and say, this is the time to sit there and make sure your seatbelt is nice and tight. You can put up your hands, scream, yell, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you have fun. You guys ready?
Yes.
I'm ready. All right.
Thank you.
Enjoy your ride.
What do you have to say?
I liked it.
Me too. You didn't love it though.
Yeah.
What? I did.
But I like it.
Oh, I love it.
Free ear person.
On it? Yeah.
Should we ask? What's the jewelry be like $60?
It probably is.
Free hermit crab with a purchase of any cake.
Yeah, but you got a hermit crab. One got out of its shell and died. I can see it.
Oh, your dog is so cute.
Thank you.
What's that?
Ran to the pedal or backwards. You think it's ready tight, but it's not. It's left the left tight on the pedal.
Tenemos barquilla, barquilla fresca, barquilla helada.
We're going to the, how is it called?
Park Serpent? Oh, Wildwood? Morse Pier?
The park.
Morse Pier?
We're going to the amusement park.
When I
No,
explained it to you,
I didn't know it
I
went
explained
backwards.
the whole thing to you. I said it went backwards.
I was tired.
I said it goes backwards all the way up to the top. Then you go around in the loop forwards. And then you
Oh
stop
my
again.
God.
And then you go backwards around the loop.
She said my scream was funny.
It was funny. I already went on it like 5 times.
all times while
Oh yeah.
riding.
Time to go on a ferry wheel. Ooh. So nice. Look here. I don't even have my glasses. So Yo, I have a headache, so I'm not in the mood to do a lot of stuff, but I'm still gonna try to do a lot of stuff. Because we went on the biggest roller coaster here, and like we went twice, and the second time it gave me a headache.
I love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take
what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's...
We just went in that thing, the boat that goes like this, and she's a bully. She kept saying, "Why do you scream like that?" Like,
Why would you didn't scream in that ride?
no, you said, "Why do you scream like that?"
What?
Yeah.
No, I said, why are you doing that? You weren't screaming.
¿Cómo estaba la comida?
Bueno. Eso es bueno.
You had to say primordial.
Oh, de mortal.
We're back at the hotel, but now we're gonna leave. It's been a really nice day. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. We get to leave this hotel. Yes.